Okay, welcome back to this course. I want to share with you how to install WordPress on your computer. There is an easy way of installing WordPress on your computer. Okay, now, this is not the conventional way that I recommend because once you've got your domain name and web hosting, you need to install WordPress on your web hosting server, which I will cover in the next lesson. But some students or learners come to me and ask me that they don't want to create a live website right now. They don't have a domain name and don't want to invest money in web hosting. Can they just practice how to use WordPress on their personal computer? So that's one solution that you can use, is go to this website wordpress.org. Now go to the top right corner and click on the Get WordPress button. When the download page opens, then click on the Download WordPress button. After downloading, click Open and extract it to the htdocs folder. Now go to the browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin. In the left sidebar you will see the New button. Click that New and type database name. And select UTF-8 General CI, then hit Create. Your database is created now. After creating a database for our WordPress site, now open a new tab and type localhost/folder name, which is WordPress, and hit Enter. Choose your language. I'll choose English and continue. You will see a welcome message and some installation procedures. So simply click on the Let's Go button. Below you should enter your database connection details. Let's type the database name, my blog. Now type root in the username. Leave the password area empty. And host, I'll type localhost, because we are using it offline, and leave the table prefix the same. Now hit Submit. Alright Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to run the installation button. Now just fill in the information below. In the site title, I'll type my blog. Username, type what you'll remember later, because this username is for your WordPress admin panel. I'll type admin. In password, I'll type pass, but you need to type a strong password for your website safety. If the password is weak and you want to use it, then check the confirm password. Enter your email for resetting your password. Leave the search engine visibility here and press Install WordPress. WordPress installation is completed successfully. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.